We have some more exciting economic news to share with you. Last month, DOE celebrated an incredible cleanup milestone at the East Tennessee Technology Park. But this wasn't just about removing old buildings and contaminants. It was about transforming the site into something new and thriving. Land at the East Tennessee Technology Park can be reused now that major cleanup is complete. DOE's long-standing goal was to transform the former enrichment site into an industrial park. That vision has become a reality. Cleaned acreage at the site is bringing in new businesses and jobs on a larger scale than ever before. DOE has transferred more than 1,700 acres to the community for economic development. The plans are underway to transfer another 900 acres in the next 3 years. 25 private businesses have located or announced plans to build on transferred land. Together, they're expected to bring in $1.3 billion in investments.
Our communities stand on the cusp of a once-in-a-generation opportunity. We truly are in the epicenter of a nuclear renaissance. Interest in our area has already increased exponentially. Our regional conversations with other government officials try to prepare them for economic development opportunities in the nuclear supply chain that have never been a variable in our equation before.
And now with the site clear, there's potential for new innovations and advancements in this field. Kairos Power began construction in July on its Hermes demonstration reactor. The company's multi-million-dollar investment in clean energy is expected to bring 100 jobs to the site. The company's chief technology officer and co-founder shared why they chose East Tennessee.
This being a brownfield site, it's very representative of the Kairos mission, which is to restore environmental stewardship. And so going to a brownfield site was very consistent with our mission. And one of the nice things about a brownfield site is it's very well characterized. And so when you're trying to build a new nuclear technology, having a well-characterized site is very advantageous. So, and last but not least, it gives us land to actually grow some of our capabilities. So it's just a terrific place for us to be.
The list of nuclear companies moving to Oak Ridge is continuing to grow, and they're investing millions of dollars in innovation and infrastructure in Oak Ridge. In addition to Orano's multi-billion-dollar announcement, let's break down the numbers and spotlight some other key players. TriSoX is estimated to invest nearly $1 billion over multiple phases of its project at the nearby Horizon Center. Kairos Power is planning $300 million over multiple phases at the East Tennessee Technology Park. And UltraSafe Nuclear Corp rounds out that list with an expected $50 million at the East Tennessee Technology Park. That's a total of nearly $1.5 billion.